Yo. Yo. We gotta turn on my other light. It's me, it's Logan. Yeah. And today we're finally gonna be reacting to Victon's Howling. Oh, I can't speak. Oh, how long it has been. Oh, how I've been waiting for this. And oh, how I have not listened to the song yet, and it has been killing me because I've been wanting to listen to that song. God damn. I can't believe I'm taking this long to react to Victon Howling. I'm sorry about that. I am super sorry about that. But anyways, I cannot wait to see myself die. Yep. And yeah, other than that, let's just get straight into this. Wait, is it just quiet on purpose? Oh, yep, okay. Oh, God. Oh, my. No. Ah. Yeah. Yeah. Why have I been missing out on this, like, for, like, ages? Sorry. No, hit me. Wait. Oh, God. So what? Aye. Bro, the song is, this is it. Like, Nostalgic Night was so good. Also, New World, amazing. Actually, all their songs from their previous album was fantastic. Hands Up as well. I'm loving this though. I love rappers that got this type of voice, eh? God damn. Such a splendid music video as well. It's just fascinating. Oh man. Wow, this is amazing! The bleeding nose thing will be happening right now, but you know, I think I'm getting sick of ketchup. Bruh. No, don't do it. Whoa. Oh! I almost actually fell over. That was scary. But you know what? That song was amazing. It's basically been an entire month since it's been out, and I'm finally reacting to it now. I am sorry. Here's my foot. Yes, that's what my sorries are like. You get my foot. No, but for real, I have been waiting to actually react to this for so long, and now that I finally just got time to just make videos whenever I want now because the lockdown, it's nice. I could catch up to everything, I can react to everything, I can do daily videos, or I can do videos whenever I want, and it's just freaking good. And this was a good video to start off the reactions again. Like, holy smokes, man, that was insane. But anyways, Howling, holy crap, Howling is fantastic. I love it. I freaking love it. Holy crap. It's going on my playlist, of course. Why the hell would it not? It's Victon. Their music's always going to be on my playlist. But anyways, guys, that's going to be all with this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, show some support by leaving a like. Comment down below how much you love Victon. And subscribe. And my foot is tangled in cords now. So have a great day. Keep smiling. And yeah, peace.